I was that guy who hated going to the dentist. I was that guy who had bleeding gums, who had cavities, who had the teeth literally getting ready to fall out of my head. Dr. Williams told me about the procedures that I needed to get done. And Dr. Williams talked to me, literally just sat me down and talked to me about the whole process that I needed to get done. He talked to me just like I was his brother. Well, the staff, they're particularly nice, helpful, they're family oriented, which I love. If you see my family, you see them. So I love them, I love them. I love coming here. I have recommended them to several people. Why? Because I am so happy. My wife, she's so happy with me. She sees the smile that I have. She sees that confidence in me again. I literally can bite an apple, which I haven't been able to do in 15 years.